Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, we are going to talk how you can earn from YouTube Source without making videos in 2022. Before that, please subscribe our channel and turn on the notification so that you can know about our videos and updates. Now, let's begin. I'm going to talk about basically two websites from where you can select the video and upload to your YouTube source very easily and on maximum amount of money. So let's see which are them. The first one is Pixabay and the other is Pixels. So these two are the website from where you can upload the videos to your YouTube source within a very short period of time and make maximum income in your daily life. For example, let's type anything which you want, or you just go to video there, and there you will find multiple video about multiple topic. You can select any of them and you can write anything as per your requirement. Even you can add your own voice or music to the videos and upload them in your YouTube shorts. For example, let's see this one. You can download this video and convert it to 9:16. Then you can add music to the video, or even you can add sound to this video and upload to your YouTube source without any copyright. The next is Pixels. In the same way, even you can select the videos from Pixels. Pixels also allow us to download multiple videos without copyright. These two are the website from where you can upload videos to your YouTube Shorts and gain maximum subscribe, like and income for your daily earning. Hope this video helped you a lot. In the next video, I'll be surely making multiple videos about income. Let me know in the comment section if you want more. Thank you so much for watching our videos.